Yo, what's up guys? So G35 back here with another video. Here's how the G is looking these days. Pretty clean. Changed the wheels as you guys saw in my previous video. Sorry for the lack of content, but now I'm gonna get back into it. I'm gonna try to be more consistent, and I hope you guys support and show some love with the channel. You can comment if you like the content, see if you have ideas. I'll be more than happy to hear them. Let's get into the video real quick. So that's pretty much how the car has been sitting for a while. I've been wanting to do a Y pipe and an exhaust for a long time. I already have a cold there. I'm probably gonna do a throttle body at some point, or maybe not, we'll see. Just a tune maybe and change the cats for test pipes. We'll see how loud this is. I'm still trying to get my second car, so I have a daily. So basically, let's see what I got, and then you guys will be excited. And this is what I got. So everybody that has a Z or G knows what this is. I got a full TOMEI titanium. I'm gonna be shaving a couple of pounds, as well as sounding amazing. Like, this exhaust is my favorite by a lot. I've heard it in person, it's the best. So I'm gonna be installing this with a Megane Racing Y pipe and a forged carbon fiber diffuser. I'll do the video with the diffuser in another part, so let's dive right in. All right guys, so I already opened the package. There was one package inside the package. Inside the package on the top there was some cool stuff. The TOMEI like plate, some stickers, and then something else. I don't know what it is yet. It's like this black. It looks cool. Maybe it's a strap. I'm gonna check after in a second. We got the two other pipes here, the resonator and the other pipe that connects the exhaust, the silencer. I probably never use that shit. And then the hangers, the tools, and the all the clips, and yeah, basically that's it. And then the one and only, the TOMEI here, the exhaust itself. Oh my god, it's massive. My finger definitely would pass the fist test. I'll do that in a second. I'll snap my fingers, and all right guys, so there it is, the TOMEI. Oh, it looks so freaking good. I didn't put the flash, but it's crazy. It looks really good. The welds are insane. It's gonna sound really good. So you guys will see some revs, some flybys, some cold start. I'll try to put a little bit of everything, and yeah, with the Y pipe that's coming soon, I think it's gonna sound wicked. So stay tuned, and you guys will see that in a second. I'll probably last a couple of days. So now I got this. It's like a Thursday. Probably this weekend I'll do all the videos. So you'll see that in actually like 5 seconds. So see you guys in the next 5 seconds. Alright guys, so that's the stock OEM exhaust. It is heavy as shit. Very heavy. Over there, the TOMEI. You can see a little bit what's going on. The Megane Racing Y pipe. So that's basically the difference here. I'm gonna put that shit for sale. If anybody want an OEM, let me know down in the comments.